Welcome back to SK Auto World. The legend is back. Meet the 2026 Ferrari Testarossa Plug-in Hybrid, a reborn icon that fuses Ferrari's timeless heritage with futuristic hybrid power. The Testarossa, once a poster car of the 1980s, has been reinvented for a new era, and it's more powerful than ever. Under the sculpted hood lies a state-of-the-art plug-in hybrid system producing over 1,000 horsepower, giving you blistering speed with the efficiency of electrification. In fact, this new Testarossa can launch from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, putting it head-to-head with the fastest hypercars on the planet. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cockpit that's pure Ferrari, a blend of racing DNA and modern luxury. The carbon fiber racing seats, Alcantara leather, and advanced digital displays create a driver-focused experience that feels like stepping into the future. The flat-bottom steering wheel, complete with Ferrari's iconic illuminated logo and F1-inspired controls, keeps performance literally at your fingertips. Every detail, from the ambient red lighting to the precision stitching, screams Italian craftsmanship. But the 2026 Testarossa isn't just about raw power, it's about evolution. Ferrari has managed to capture the soul of the original Testarossa while pushing boundaries with hybrid technology, improved aerodynamics, and sustainable performance. This car is not just a revival. It's a statement that the future of supercars can be both electrified and thrilling. Whether you're a lifelong Ferrari fan or simply a lover of speed, the new Testarossa proves that legends never die. They just come back stronger.